Question number 2 from exercise 2a. Fill in the blanks below. So in this question number 2 we have 4 blanks, part A, part B and part C and part D, and we have to fill the blanks. In first one we have if minus 6 represents 6 meter below sea level. So if we have minus 6 and minus 6 shows 6 meter below the sea level, then plus 30 represents dash. So we can say that plus 30, since it has a plus sign, we can say that it can represent 30 meter above the sea level. So we can write 30 meter above the sea level, because we have plus 30, and in previous information we have minus 6 which shows 6 meter below. So if we have plus 30, it will represent 30 meter above the sea level. And then in part B we have 40 if plus 40 represents depositing $40 in the bank. So we have plus 40, and by plus 40 we means depositing $40 in the bank. Then a withdrawal of $35 is represented by, so we can say that, so we can see that here we have a withdrawal of $35. So withdrawal of $35 can be represented by minus 35, because here plus shows the depositing in the bank and withdrawal means minus. So we can say that minus 35 means withdrawal of $35 from the bank. And then in part C we have if minus 60 represents a clockwise rotation of 60 degree. So here minus shows clockwise rotation and 60 shows the amount of rotation, which is 60 degree. And then we have plus 30. So plus 30 represents a since minus represents clockwise, so we can say that plus represents an anti-clockwise rotation of, so we can say anti-clockwise rotation by 30 degree. So if minus 60 represent clockwise, then plus 30 represent anti-clockwise rotation by 30 degree. And then in part D we have if plus 45 represents a speed of 45 km per hour of a car traveling east. So here plus sign shows that a car is traveling east. So here we can see that, the plus sign represents that a car is traveling east, and by 45 we mean 45 km per hour of speed. So then minus 45 represents that speed of car traveling west with 45 km per hour of speed. So in this part we can see that the plus sign shows a car traveling east. So if we have minus 45, so as we can see that the minus is the opposite of the positive, so we can say that the speed of car traveling west with 45 km per hour. So the opposite of east is west, so minus 45 represents a car traveling west with 45 km per hour of speed.